when the radius of cycle wheel cannot equal, so if it don't equal, then it can run.
It is still by science.
Not mathematics.
Radius is also a part of
No,
mathematics.
you're wrong.
Radius is a mathematics, not science.
What is radius? You say.
Huh?
What is radius? Explain.
What?
What is radius?
Diameter of half. It's called radius.
Which diameter? What is
Which diameter? What is diameter?
The circular path of full length.
Length? This is the circumference, not diameter.
Ancient time is not science leap. Science is not leap.
Everything related is science. Everything
This is nature. Nature gives all
Nature is the science. All
Nature
things
gives,
are science.
nature all things give to live.
Everything related by science.
This competition is this competition is participate for English is the most important for every job.
English, I can, okay, if this example, I can go any interview, the selectors ask the question for technology and related and science related, not English related
And
question.
give answer for English.
English is a language.
English is a language, not a technology.
English is a subject.
English grammar is a subject.
Achha, selectors ask you, types of parts, tense.
You tell in the form of English grammar. Every sentence is made by English grammar.
English is a speaking language. It is in modern life and professional language.
Everyone can speak English.
you know how to.
English is a literature, not science.
Why are you participate in English speaking competition?
Because it's my growth level and speaking level.
Because English
Growth,
is the important.
confidence. Growth, confidence and speaking level.
You
What do you mean by your growth? Your growth is from English or science?
Confidence level grow. Confidence level.
So you participate in English speaking course.
and other language where you participate.
But my school rule is speaking English. This is a modern language and professional language.
Yes, English is important.
English is a language. You go to America, you say Hindi.
English is important, but not more than science.
And you go China for English for Chinese.
Important, not more than
Speak
science.
Chinese.
English is important, but not more than a science.
English is a national language.
Yes,
Why? Which country English is a national?
America,
And other countries?
Other countries-
country language.
other countries their country language. But all countries are say English because it is a professional language.
With the help of science, you travel from one country to another country by the aeroplane. बोलो.
ओके टाइम ओवर
नहीं सर थोड़ा सा
बोलो. With the
You
help of
ask
science,
them.
you travel from one
But
country.
But I say science is more important. You say
बोलो.
With the help of another country to aeroplane, one place to another.
It is the invention of science.
It is invention of science in aeroplane.
दिस इज अ वेरी डेंजरस
Then the length of every aeroplane's feathers are in calculating math.
What do you say about
Length
say
of
about calculator.
their wings is calculated from the math formulas. Then because the wings are not equal, then it not fly.
आओ सर
Nothing.
What is calculator?
Nothing. Best invention of science. Best invention of science.
और आओ जी
Best invention of science.
Every invention of science is best. Every invention.
You give example.
All aeroplanes say science is more important
Why?
because all things are made by science.
But math is a practice and reasoning.
Without science, math is a waste paper.
Why?
Why क्या है?
Why?
Please cooperate. This is your English competition.
Because paper is made by science.
Not science. Ancient times it was made by people.
Paper is not made by science.
Paper is made by science because science developed the.
अरे सर
Yes.
Paper is not made by science.
life is important. For ancient times, the people live in hundreds, but this time people live in a 50 or few years, and they
You live in our earth, so that science is not, you don't live in our modern life.
Hello. I speak you, but I tell math is the best subject because without math we cannot calculate anything. What do you tell about this?
But science is more important, and science protect our earth and reduce pollution.
How can you reduce pollution?
Example, air purifier, electric vehicles, solar system, and solar wind power.
What is the percentage of oxygen in science?
21.
21. That it is the math 21.
Oxygen is a science.
No, it is a type of science. Part of science.
Part of science.
Yes.
This is a part of science.
We can breathe it. That it is also part of science and physics.
I don't. Please repeat.
This we breathe oxygen and release carbon dioxide. It is science. It is science. Physical.
It's not science.
It is science.
So
So the percentage of oxygen is in math.
oxygen is math.
No, percentage of oxygen in math. 21%. How do you tell
Oxygen
it?
is science.
How do you tell it in the science form?
But how is measured?
From the
Invented by science.
from math.
It is invented by science.
Invented only and calculated with math. Math is used in calculation. Okay.
But invention by science is only numerical by math.
Okay. I don't know invention. I will tell you numerical of science.
No numerical by science.
No. What? Tell.
Why you tell? You say na?
Everything is math. Math is calculated.
Everything is math.
No, but
Everything
math
is
is
made by science. Everything is made by science.
Okay, but
yourself by the help of science.